Hi, I'm Tom at Team Endicott with Keller Williams. Today I want to show you 3 things that I do as a homeowner on the first Saturday of every month to help maintain my home. Those are the following. Number 1, change out my furnace filter. Number 2, check the smoke detectors. Number 3, I check my sinks for leaks. So I'm going to take you through a quick tour and show you what I do with those. Number 1, furnace filter. So I actually keep them just in a box, and all of the HVAC guys that I've talked to have always told me that these little thin, cheap ones are the best way to go. The big, thick ones are hard on the blowers, and they say don't change them until every 6 months or so. These we just change every month, and fairly straightforward process. Take the dirty one out. I always make sure they've got an arrow on them to tell you which way the airflow goes to make sure you get it done correctly, and put it in. Check. So for today's purposes, since I've already tested my smoke detectors for the day or for the month, I've pulled it off the wall. Everybody knows how to test these, but I'm not going to do it right now because somebody doesn't like that. On the sinks, what I do is I just run my hand underneath the traps under the garbage disposal, look on the floor, make sure that there's no water there. Slow leaks like that under the sink can lead to mold and big cabinet replacement issues. So once a month, I just give it a quick check.